Have you ever pondered the divine nature of Jesus Christ? The chronicles of his life, filled with miracles and teachings, have led many to believe in his divinity. Let's embark on a journey through time, tracing the footsteps of Jesus and exploring instances that highlight his divine nature. In the beginning there was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. This Word, as the Gospel of John informs us, became flesh in the form of Jesus. His birth was not ordinary. Born to the Virgin Mary in a humble setting, surrounded by shepherds and wise men, his birth was heralded by an angelic chorus, a clear sign of his divine origin. As Jesus grew, his divinity shone through in instances of wisdom beyond his years. At the tender age of 12, he was found in the temple, astounding scholars with his understanding of the scriptures. This was no ordinary child, but the Word of God, teaching and learning amongst his people. His public ministry, which began around the age of 30, was marked by miracles that defied the laws of nature. He healed the sick, gave sight to the blind, and even raised the dead. These acts were not merely good deeds, but tangible proofs of his divine power. Moreover, Jesus demonstrated authority over nature, another testament to his divinity. He calmed raging storms and walked on water, actions that only the Creator of the universe could perform. But perhaps the most significant proof of his divinity was his resurrection. After his crucifixion, he rose from the dead, defeating death itself. This event, witnessed by many, is a cornerstone of Christian faith and a powerful testament to the divine nature of Jesus. In conclusion, the life of Jesus Christ, from his miraculous birth to his resurrection, is filled with instances that underscore his divinity. His wisdom, his miracles, his authority over nature, and his victory over death all point to him being more than just a man. They affirm that he is indeed the Word that was with God and was God. Remember, understanding Jesus' divinity is not just about acknowledging the miracles, it's about recognizing the love and sacrifice inherent in these acts. It's about seeing the heart of God who became man to save mankind. Thank you for joining this exploration of Jesus' divine nature. Stay curious, keep questioning, and continue exploring the mysteries of faith.